Hello and welcome to Pluralsight. My name is Tim Warner, and I'd like to welcome you to the course entitled Oracle Database 12c Installation and Upgrade. The name of this module is Planning for Oracle Database 12c Installation. First, let me welcome you to this course, and I'll give you a high-level overview of what to expect. In this module, as I said, we'll be planning for Oracle Database 12c Installation. In subsequent modules, we'll examine and then perform installations of various parts and pieces of the Oracle database on different operating system platforms. For instance, we'll look at Oracle Grid Infrastructure in implementing automatic storage management. I'll then walk you through installation of Oracle Database on Windows as well as Oracle Linux 6. Once we have the instance laid down and installed, it's then time to create a database, and we'll spend time in both non-container databases as well as container databases at that time. I'll show you how to install Enterprise Manager Cloud Control 12c for the ultimate in cloud administration. And then finally, we'll wrap up this course with learning what is supported and what's not supported with regard to upgrading to Oracle Database 12c. Now, what are we going to learn in this module? First, I'm going to review with you the Oracle product family. To be sure, Oracle is a multi-tentacled beast, as I know I've said in my previous Pluralsight course. It's a good idea for us to understand the major moving parts before we start delving into the database specifically. Speaking of which, it's important that we understand and differentiate among the different Oracle database editions. We'll figure out what's supported in terms of host operating systems. There may be a little bit of a surprise in store for you there. How to discover system requirements and how to prepare our systems, whether they're physical machines or virtual machines, it doesn't matter too much, for Oracle installation. Let's get to work.